Hey folks, this is a quick one. I've been making brake lines for the race car, and I thought I'd share this for those of you that haven't used nickel copper brake lines. For years I used the steel ones, and it was a pain to make brake lines. The flares on the end, they would split sometimes. It's so stiff, really hard to bend. Stainless steel doesn't rust like regular steel, but man, is it stiff. And then I realized, or I saw that like Porsche, Rolls-Royce, Audi, all these European companies use nickel copper. And it's not copper tubing, it's nickel copper. It follows all the standards. On the label here, it says it meets SAJ 1650, which I'm assuming is some sort of brake line standard. It doesn't rust, and I've used it on the tow car, my tow van, for the last few years after the General Motors brake lines rusted away. It's a 2003 Astrovan, so it's got all new brake lines, and they're great. And I've done the brake lines on the race car. And besides everything else, besides the fact that they don't rust and they're easy to flare, I look like I know what I'm doing now, and the flares that come out really nice with well, I don't have it here, but with one of those cheap flaring tools, not something fancy, one of those cheap ones that you tighten up and change the fitting and tighten up. They bend super easy. Here's a piece. They bend super easy, and they look great. The bends look great. So that's a tip. Tell me what you think. Do you agree? Do you disagree? I love this stuff. 3/16. I think I've even done the 1/4 inch. Also doesn't bend quite as easily, but it still bends. And if you use a bender, they're absolutely perfect. So just a quick video as I'm doing more things on the race car. See you next time.